In this video, I'm going to talk about the YouTube community tab. So how can you enable it and how can you use it to get more views on your videos and to engage with your subscribers? So let's start off with the requirements to getting access to the community tab, because not every single YouTuber can get it. So I just searched for how to enable community on YouTube, and you'll see that you need at least 1,000 subscribers to have access to community posts. Okay, now my channel has about 40k subscribers at the time of recording this, and that means that I have access to the community tab. Now please keep in mind that once you hit 1k subscribers, it can take a few weeks or days to get access to the community tab. Now let's say that you have 1k subscribers, you can then start using the community tab by simply clicking on the plus icon right there, which is the create button that you would normally use to upload videos or to go live. But you also see create post right there if you actually have access to the community tab. Now once I click on that, it's going to send me over to my community tab. Now I don't actually use this because my channel is all about ranking in search, so I don't really build up an active subscriber base. However, with that being said, if you do want to subscribe, I would appreciate that. I don't upload to my subscribers, so I won't bother you with content, but I would appreciate that. Anyway, once you're here on the community tab, you can create your community post. So for example, you can include videos, polls, and also images. Okay, so let's say that I want to do a post with an existing YouTube video. You then click on it and you can use video search. You can paste a URL or you can use your YouTube videos. So if you want to share one of your own videos, you click right there and then you basically select the video that you want to share. Now let's assume that I want to share this one. You then select it, you click select, and you can then write a caption. For example, you can then say, have you seen this video yet? Which is just an example. Have you seen this video yet? Now you can then click on post right there, or you can schedule it. Now if you click on post, it will go public right away. If you click on schedule post, you can actually schedule it, right? That makes sense. So like I said, you can choose a date and time, and by doing that, you can then schedule your post. Now I'm not interested in doing that. Let's say that I want to share this. All I need to do is click on post right there, and then you'll see that I just made a community post. And that's pretty much how you can use the community tab on YouTube. You can also use polls and images, and that works exactly the same. All you need to do for that is click right here on add a poll or add an image, and then you can pretty much select the image that you want to use, then add a caption, and then click on post. So that's how you can use and enable the community tab on YouTube. If you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions and if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.